In this question, let AB be a chord of a circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, subtending a right angle at the center. Then the locus of the centroid of the triangle PAB as P moves on the circle is 1. A parabola, 2. A circle, 3. An ellipse, 4. A pair of straight lines. Here, a circle is drawn and points A and B are marked. Let point B be r cos theta 1, r sin theta 1. Then, since this is a right angle, we can say that point A is minus r sin theta 1 plus r cos theta 1. That is, point A is r cos theta 1 plus 90 degree, r sin theta 1 plus 90 degree. This is equal to A minus r sin theta 1 r cos theta 1. Now let theta 1 equal to 0. Then point B is given by r 0 and point A is given by 0 r, and let P be the point r cos theta, r sin theta. Then the centroid of the triangle, P A B is, let it be alpha beta, and the centroid will be given by alpha is equal to r plus 0 plus r cos theta upon 3. This is equal to, this gives 3 alpha minus r equal to r cos theta. Similarly, beta is equal to 0 plus r sin theta upon 3. This gives 3 beta minus r equal to r sin theta. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Now squaring both the equations 1 and 2, we get 3 alpha minus r the whole square plus 3 beta minus r the whole square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta equal to r square. Or we can write, dividing throughout by 9, we get alpha minus r by 3 the whole square plus beta minus r by 3 the whole square equal to r by 3 the whole square. This, or the locus is given by x minus r by 3 the whole square plus y minus r by 3 the whole square equal to r by 3 the whole square. This is an equation of a circle centered at r by 3 and radius r by 3. So the correct choice is choice 2, a circle.